So today we're making Canarian mojo sauce. These are the list of ingredients. Pause it before. Oil, red wine vinegar, cumin seeds, garlic cloves, chili peppers, dried ones, paprika, oregano, bell pepper. Yeah. So we start by cutting the pieces of bell pepper, putting it into the blender. Next you add the two garlic cloves. Just wash them, whack them in there. Add a tablespoon of paprika. Add a bit of chili pepper based on the spiciness that you want. Add half a tablespoon of cumin seeds. Add half tablespoon of oregano. You can add more if you want. And then 30 milliliters of red wine vinegar. I'd say this you can also add later on when you're mixing it based on the amount you want. Same goes for oil as well. This is just purely for the thickness. 2/3 tablespoon of salt, again based on taste. If you want it saltier, keep adding as you blend when we see it right now. Just blend it all, just keep tasting it, adding extra, and that's that. Time to enjoy.